Well, hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of Talking Bullion. Well, I've got another package in the mail, and I'm pretty excited about this one as well. This is one that is helping me meet my strategies and goals for the year. My stacking goals, my stacking strategies. And I'm pretty excited that we're able to continue to meet these goals and stay in line because it was a pretty aggressive goal, and I think it's going to continue to get harder and harder as the precious metals go up and up. So just got to take it one day at a time, 1 month at a time, and hope we can continue to do it. So let's go ahead and take a look. Okay, let's get this thing open. Gotta slice the tape open. Make sure there'll be some type of invoice or something inside. So I'm going to take a quick peek here, and sure enough, there is. And of course, name and address visible right on top, but that's okay. We know the story with that one. So here we go. This is what it looks like inside. Let's go ahead and start unfolding. I'm going to go ahead and take the backs and move that out of our way. And wonder what that could be. So this is a random date item. I do not know what the date is, and I really like it when they're random dates because you never know what you're going to get. Last one I ordered was an 1880. How cool is that to get an 1880 coin in the mail as a random date? So let me go ahead and pull this out of here and take a look at this one. Oh yeah. Let me get this plastic off of here. I'm glad they put it in this nice plastic, but it makes it very difficult to get it out of there. They wrap it very nice. And so, here we go. Sorry about that. So here we go. And you know what? I'm just going to take it out of the flip as well. The flip is bouncing off the lights. Let me go ahead and get this thing out of here and not get my fingerprints all over it. And look at this, folks. It's a 1900 quarter ounce of gold. Oh my gosh. Look at this baby. Ooh-wee. I like that. And I believe the rating on this was an extra fine. So that's below BU and AU. And you can see it has a little wear on it, but extra fine is still a very respectable coin. So why don't we go ahead and put this under the coin cam. So take that out of there, put this in here. I have to change my filter. So let me go ahead and do that real quick. Yeah, there we go. Should have clicked it over the coin cam before I did that. Alright. Let's get some focus on this thing. What do you think, folks? 1900. Wow. Easy math on this one. 119 years old. Wow, what do you think about that? Very nice coin. And it is a coin because it has a denomination on it. It's a $5 coin. It's not bullion. See if I can get a better look on that. Better, oh yeah, there we go. I don't know. These little white specks on this black board sure do show up on the camera, don't they? In fact, I need to move this over a little bit. Put this back in place. There we go. That looks a little better. I don't want anything distracting from this beautiful coin. United States of America 5D for $5. Now, as I mentioned on my last video, this is not my favorite looking eagle of all time. I mean, it's a decent looking one. They have a lot better out there, in my opinion, a lot better looking eagles. Let's take a look at the front one more time. And Lady Liberty there. In all of her glory. I don't know why this thing loses focus, but it does. So we can bring it back in here. There we go. So what do you think, huh? Is that an awesome coin or what? So let's go back, take another look at it on this side. And you know what? I got this for a great price. Got it on eBay, using eBay bucks. And believe it or not, I got this for $33.12 below spot. That's right. Now I know these coins don't have exactly a quarter of an ounce. They're like 0.2421, something like that. They're almost a quarter. And my calculation is with the exact amount of gold in there. So even with the exact amount of gold, it is still $33.12 below spot. Phenomenal, huh? Absolutely fantastic. So those eBay bucks really pay off. I constantly hear people saying, I'm not really sure what to do. I don't sign up because it's, a hassle. And it really isn't, folks. Go to eBay, sign up, and then make sure you go to your settings and select that you'll allow promotions. That's all you have to do. Next thing you know, you will be getting eBay bucks in the email saying you get 8 or 10% off. I think some people even have gotten them higher, 13 or 15%. I've never had one that high myself. Actually, I did have a 13% one time, but it's usually 8 or 10, most of the time 10. And 10% off of gold or silver, as you guys know, is a fantastic deal. And that's it for now. I hope you enjoyed this video. And why don't you go ahead and click on one of these 2 videos that just popped up for you. I put a couple other gold videos in there so you can check them out. And I think you'll really enjoy them because unboxing gold is a really, really cool thing to do. And thank you for watching. And always remember, let's keep talking bullion.